animation fixtures. Let's go to M.
Okay, let's go up here.
We're going to M.
Main level.
I want to get the full round trip.
No, we're going to main level. It's getting
Starting with P1. Because my brother did that.
Yeah. I didn't mean to do it. Up here.
Going up. This is going up.
Hello. Are we going to main level?
Yeah.
We're going. I accidentally touched P1. I didn't know why.
This is a big elevator, like a freight elevator.
exactly.
Here at the main level.
It's not that crowded.
Here we are.
Here we go.
Wait, this one.
Okay. Cut the door. There we go. Now we're going on to the next set of elevators.
Here comes the next set of elevators. Don't worry about them.
These are innovation as well. I'm gonna have to wait. Just watch the bell come up. Here it is. This one's much even bigger. Elevating Denver has filmed here before. Oh, it's over here. Hold on.
Upper level.
Вы уже выезжаете или вы еще шаг делаете?
Door close doesn't work. As soon as the door closes, here we go.
Сейчас на кассе выезжает.
What's that squeaky noise?
Park Meadows.
Here at the UL,
Upper level.
same thing.
Тогда посмотрим пока.
I had the door. And it's going down because someone called it. There we go. So let's watch this elevator close up action. There it goes. And that was slow. And that's it. All right, here we go. Here's another set of elevators. Goes to the marketplace. Here it is. That's a loud bell. Oh, and that door didn't want to open. So here we go. Get people in their purse. This is crowded. The arrow's about to go out in a minute. Alright, here we go. Go to F. Here we go. Ooh. That did not sound good. Listen to that. Ooh, jolt. I like that motor on the other one. Big bang. Give people one out first. Some nice elevator. Let me send this up. There's the machine room. So there it goes. Probably can't hear the machine room, but queue.
Somebody else coming?
Go to P2.
Excuse me.
Let's try and close.
We got you what?
Close. Here
That lady was
we go.
here.
That's the other elevator. This is P1. Wait, bomb.
No, I'm on the next one.
Is this us?
Yes.
This P1, you going to P1?
I guess so.
Here we go. This is a big cab. Here. Big bump, that was a jolt. Yeah. Guess nobody waiting, let's go to M. Oh, dang it. Motor. That did not sound good. Stopping on P1 for a reason. Going up. Here we go. Here N, and we're gonna end the video at P2. Going down. Are you going all going P1?
Yeah.
Or,
Yes.
Where are we, people?
Oi.